Hello and welcome to Receptive Group of Companies. Today we'll guide you for the process of Subclass 482 visa for Australia. So step 1 is sending your resume. Well, once we receive your resume, we will forward it to our team of lawyers for assessment. Step number 2 is positive assessment. After analyzing your resume, you will receive a positive assessment. This will include important details such as potential salary, benefits and working hours. Step 3 is submission of documents. We will require certain documents to initiate the process, while other documents will be required such as PCC, bank statements and medical before submitting your visa application. Our team will keep you informed about the timing of each document and give you a list of the required documents. Step 4 is document verification. Once you submit the required documents, our verification team will assist them. This is to ensure they meet the necessary standards to provide and help any delays in the future. Step 5 is interview with the immigration lawyer or recruiters. After document verification, you will have an interview with our immigration lawyers or recruiters to discuss your profile. Step 6, post-interview selection. After getting selected by our immigration lawyers or recruiters, our team will then guide you with the next step, which is job offer. Step 7 is job offer. If selected, we will proceed with the next steps in the process. After completing the above initial steps, the key milestone is securing a job from an Australian company. Very essential for the next stage of your visa process. Step 8 is visa submission. Our immigration consultant will keep you informed throughout the submission process. After the job offer is secure, we will complete to submit your visa application. After submission, you will have to wait for your visa approval. 9 is visa approval. Once your visa is approved and everything is finalized, you will be prepared to move to Australia. Now let's talk about the benefits of Subclass 482 visa. This visa also facilitates career advancement and a chance to build a new life in a welcoming and vibrant country. The Subclass 482 visa offers significant benefits like the opportunity to migrate to Australia with your family. Let's talk about the Subclass 186, which is the permanent residency visa. After 1 year of employment in Australia through the Subclass 482 visa, you can now apply for the Subclass 186 visa for permanent residency. This provides a valuable opportunity to settle in Australia long term and enjoy the benefits of permanent residency. Well, why choose Receptive Immigration? With Receptive Immigration, you receive professional guidance throughout the process, from securing a job offer to submitting your visa application and preparing you for the future permanent residency. Also, Receptive Immigration stands out for commitment, ensuring everything is in order before signing any contracts. We aim to ensure you're fully informed and prepared for each step of the process. For your reference, here are a few successful visa copies done by Receptive Immigration. So now what are you waiting for? Get started today with Receptive Immigration. Thanks for watching and we look forward in helping you to achieve your Australian dream.